Hello guys, in this video question number 5, 6, 7 and 8 of exercise 2.3 of the chapter fractions and decimals have been simplified. Let us see what the questions are. Let us begin with question number 5. Question number 5 says, Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last saplings. With the diagram, it has been shown that this is the first sapling, this is the second sapling, and this is the third, and this is the last, means fourth saplings. And distance between any two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4, means distance between first and second sapling is 3 by 4, then second and third sapling is 3 by 4, and third and fourth sapling is 3 by 4. So clearly distance between the first and the last sapling will be 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, means 3 times 3 by 4. So 3 3 are 9 and 4 1 are 4. Here 3 can be expressed as 3 by 1. So 1 into 4 is the product of denominators and 3 into 3 is the product of numerators. So we get 9 by 4, which is equal to 2 and 1 by 4 meter. Distance between two adjacent saplings is given 3 by 4 meter, and therefore distance between the first and the last saplings is equal to 3 times 3 by 4. That is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, and it gives 2 and 1 by 4 meter as the answer. Now question number 6. Leepika reads a book for 1 and 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन में बताया गया है कि लीपिका डेली यानी अर्थात एवरी डे 1 and 3 by 4 आवर्स किसी बुक की रीडिंग करती है, और इस तरीके से वो 6 डेज में पूरी बुक को फिनिश कर लेती है, उसकी रीडिंग करना फिनिश कर लेती है। तो बताइए कुल कितने आवर्स उसने कंज्यूम किए। Number of reading hours per day is given 1 and 3 by 4 hours, and number of days she reads is equal to 6 days, and therefore total number of reading hours required by Leepika to read the book is equal to 1 and 3 by 4 multiplied by 6. इसे हम इस तरीके से भी समझ सकते हैं कि 1 and 3 by 4 first day, then 1 and 3 by 4 second day, then 1 and 3 by 4 third day, और इस तरीके से 6 days वो रीडिंग करती है। तो यहाँ पर 6 times 1 and 3 by 4 आ रहा है, जो कि यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है। अब ये प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए होल नंबर एंड ए मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन है, तो मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को हमने कन्वर्ट किया इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में, और इसके बाद मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 6. सिंस 4 and 6 हैव ए कॉमन फैक्टर 2, सो these two numbers have been divided by 2 to get 2 here and 3 here. Then multiply 7 3 are 21, 2 1 are 2, 21 by 2 is 10 and half hours. इस तरीके से उसे 10 and half hours 6 days में कंज्यूम करने पड़े। Question number 7. A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल इट कवर यूजिंग 2 and 3 by लीटर्स ऑफ पेट्रोल। 1 लीटर पेट्रोल में 16 किलोमीटर जाती है, तो 2 and 3 by 4 लीटर्स में कितना जाएगी। ऑब्वियसली distance will be more than 16 kilometers, so this is the case of multiplication. Since distance covered by the car in 1 liter is 16 kilometer and therefore distance covered by the car in 2 and 3 by 4 liters is equal to 16 multiplied by 2 and 3 by 4, which gives 44 kilometers. Question number 8. Provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 into this number gives 10 by 30, and the simplest form of the number obtained in this box is what। यहाँ पर ये बताना है कि इस बॉक्स में कौन सा नंबर आए कि उसका इस 2 by 3 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 10 by 30 मिले। तो क्लियरली 5 2 5 जाए तो यहाँ 5 आएगा और नीचे 3 10 जाए, मीन्स 5 by 10। 5 by 10 is the required number such that 2 by 3 into 5 by 10 gives 10 by 30। अब यहाँ पर जो 5 by 10 मिला हुआ है उसी का सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म यहाँ पर बताना है, जो कि कैंसिल होकर के 1 by 2 बन जाएगा। तो यहाँ पर सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ 5 by 10 इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 हो गया। इसी तरीके से बी पार्ट में भी बताना है कि इस बॉक्स में वो कौन सा नंबर आएगा कि जिसका 3 by 5 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने से 24 by 75 मिल जाए। सिंस 3 by 5 into 8 by 15 gives 24 by 75 and therefore required number is 8 by 15, and the simplest form of 8 by 15 is 8 by 15 because there is no common factor in 8 and 15. So this is the answer. इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। उम्मीद है कि आपको प्रॉब्लम्स समझ में आई होंगी। वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।